have walks 1,000 miles, and I never gotta look into your eyes. Feels like I'm stuck inside the atmosphere, still I can't breathe, 'cause you are not here. The ocean moves in my heart, the tide's rising up. You're the one, you're the oxygen in my lungs. Underwater, when I swim in your love. Underwater, and I can't get enough. Underwater.
Do in the water, and tomorrow they'll take their aquatic fitness to an international level. ABC Action News reporter Robert Boyd shows us why this exercise is creating quite the splash on a global scale.
Well, these St. Pete Beach water aerobics enthusiasts can't wait to kick, bend, and scream for the whole world to see.
This isn't an old lady class. This is like a boot camp.
This is not a wimpy exercise. Our instructor really works us.
But on Saturday, they'll face their biggest challenge yet, the 9th annual Worldwide Aquathon Day.
It's aquatic fitness marathon, 3 hours of aquatic fitness.
The event, which originated in South Africa, will include more than 80 countries, all splashing around in unison.
I'm so happy to be part of the world stage of the Aquathon.
A lot of people have caught on to the benefits of water exercise, and internationally, and I'm delighted that St. Pete is participating.
The first class begins at 9 a.m. For more information, go to our website at abcactionnews.com.
It's a personal challenge to a lot of these patrons, and if they complete the 3 hours, they get a certificate of achievement, and so it's very rewarding for them.
In St. Pete Beach, Robert Boyd, ABC Action News.
Going too well. Thank you. So she held her first aquathon thing in about 2013, and that's when it went global. At the moment, we have 34 countries and being held in about 75 different events. In Australia, we've only got 2 venues, here and another place in New South Wales.
Walks 1,000 miles, and I never gotta look into your eyes. Feels like I'm stuck inside the atmosphere, still I can't breathe, 'cause you are not here. The ocean moves in my heart, the tide's rising up. You're the one, you're the oxygen in my lungs. Underwater, when I swim in your love.
Right now in Israel, we celebrate the Aquathon Day.
Underwater, when I swim in across 1,000 miles, and I never gotta look into your eyes. Feels like I'm stuck inside the atmosphere, still I can't breathe, 'cause you are not here. The ocean moves in my heart, the tide's rising up. You're the one, you're the oxygen in my lungs. Water, and I can't get enough. Current pulling me, the waves are breaking, but my heart is free. I know I must surrender to the sea, so I say goodbye. You get a new life. The ocean moves in my heart, the tide's rising up. You're the one, you're the oxygen in my lungs. Underwater, when I swim in your love. Underwater, and I can't get enough. Underwater, I wanna drown in your love. Drown in your love. I wanna drown in your love. Underwater, water, 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 water. Underwater, water, 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 water. Underwater, when I swim in your love. Underwater, and I can't get enough. Underwater.
De nom, mais en tout cas c'est une référence au marathon et ça se passe dans l'eau, donc ça donne l'aquathon. Regardez ces images impressionnantes. C'était ce matin sur la plage de Ngor à Dakar, 300 participants en pleine séance d'aquagym, frites de piscine, nouilles de piscine, appelez ça comme vous voulez, entre les mains. Vous voyez, c'est assez sportif. Ça a duré 3 heures et ça ne se passait pas qu'au Sénégal. D'ailleurs, cet aquathon géant a eu lieu au même moment dans 80 pays. Pas de prix ni de médaille à la clé. Ici, l'objectif est juste de promouvoir les bienfaits du sport dans l'eau. À en croire les organisateurs, il y en a beaucoup. Moins de traumatismes pour les muscles et les articulations, moins de blessures, moins de stress et plus de calories brûlées dans l'eau. Voilà, c'était déjà la 3e édition et je ne sais pas ce que vous en pensez, Dominique. Et moi, ça me donne presque envie de me mettre à l'aquagym.
Ouais, moi j'aimerais bien essayer. Et puis quand on a la mer, autant en profiter. Hein.
Ben voilà, on
Merci
va essayer ensemble.
On va essayer ensemble, mais il n'y aura pas d'image. Merci beaucoup Théa, à demain.
I can feel your current pulling me. The waves are breaking, but my heart is free.
Tobago. We are happy to be here again, this time for the 9th Worldwide Aquathon Day. It really was amazing, especially during these hard times that all of us are facing. Stay safe, healthy, blessed, and COVID-free, everyone.
Underwater, when I swim in your love. Underwater, and I can't get enough. Underwater, I wanna drown in your love. Drown in your love. I wanna drown in your love. Underwater, water, 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 water.